Friends, again to and friends, we have been discussing tense, and in the last class we finished the present indefinite tense or the simple present tense, and now comes back to present tense, and today we are going to discuss the present continuous tense. Okay, friends. Now, the today's topic is present, present tense, tense. We are discussing this present tense. Okay, and we have already finished our session with present indefinite tense, and now come to present continuous tense. Present continuous. Okay, this is our topic of discussion for today. Okay, what we are going to discuss? Present continuous tense. In the earlier discussion, when we discussed about this present tense, I mentioned you that present tense has four types: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, we are dealing with all these tenses, all these forms of tense one by one. This part we have already completed, and now this part we are going to deal with, and after this we will go to these two parts. And now this present indefinite tense, this present continuous tense, and where is used for, generally we used it to mean continuous. Continuous means this is the way of functioning, that something is going on. It is not completed. The action is going on. This means continuous. Continuous means continuity. Means something that is going on, that is called continuous. And present continuous means something that is going on at present. At present. Something that is going on at present. That is called present continuous. Okay. Before going to present continuous tense in details, let me remind you that I mentioned always two questions. Any tense form, when we go to discuss any tense form, always remember these two questions: when and how. Now first come to when part. When means when present continuous tense is used. This question is important. We should ask ourselves always these two questions: when a particular tense form is used, and how is that particular tense form used. This is the question of how, and now this is the question of how, when. আমি যেতিয়া কোনো এটা টেন্সৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰোঁ, সদায় দুটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব লাগে যে টেন্সটো কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়, প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটো আমি কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম। যেনেকৈ আমি শিকিছিলো প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সৰ 12টা নিয়ম, যে এইগিটা নিয়ম মানে উদ্দেশ্যত প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম। And now come to present continuous tense. General concept is that an action that is going on right now, that is called present continuous tense. Suppose I am speaking, I am standing in front of you. This is present continuous tense. But this is not the sufficient. Generally, we have learned that some action that is going on right now is called present continuous tense. We have learned like that. But friends, I am going to give you in details some more concepts, some more ideas about present continuous tense. That is why I need your full concentration here, and I again like to request you, please like the button and please subscribe the video, those who have not yet subscribed the channel. Okay, now with this request, let us go to the present continuous tense in details. Okay, number one, when we are talking about when present continuous tense is used, an action going on, please write down, going on at present. Very simple formula, very simple uses of present continuous tense. An action going on at present, it means come to চলি আছে. For example, I am teaching. I am teaching, present continuous tense. This is the sentence. I am teaching, present continuous tense. Okay, what is the point? The first point is that an action going on at present. Present means present time. I am not writing the word present time. An action going on at present time is to be written in present continuous tense. For example, I am standing here in front of you. This is present continuous. I am talking to you. I am teaching you English grammar. This is present continuous. Okay, friends? There is no problem. There is no puzzle. And in the same way, I am giving you more examples. Very simple. Nothing to be worried about this. Very simple. Something that is going on at present time, that is present continuous tense. I am giving you just examples. Number 1 and number 2 examples. And what you are doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's an interrogative sentence and tense is present continuous. What are you doing? তোমালোকে কি কৰি আছা? উত্তৰটো কি দিম? Again I am writing this. You please write the sentences immediately as I have written on the board. Okay, friends. Now another example I am giving. And if I ask you what are you doing, you will definitely say that we are learning English grammar. Okay, what we are doing? We are learning English grammar. Okay, this another question I should write here. I am talking to you. I am talking to you. Okay, these are the examples. Now see, and suppose friends, when we talked about the semi-final volleyball match, Indian Volleyball League, I mentioned you, please remember, I mentioned you the names of the player of present tense. Among them, 2 players names we got yesterday, do and does. Other 3 players, and is, are, those 3 players are used here in present continuous tense. What are they? Are, and suppose another sentence I should write instead of this one. Okay, this is also okay, but I am going to write another sentence using the another name of the player. Who was he? Suppose this is number 4, 5. This is example number 5. Who was the name of the player? What was his name? He was is. Suppose He is playing. Not playing. Now appropriate word should be in related to this. He is writing. He is writing. Okay, this one. These the circled words. These are the helping verbs, helping words. I call them in the earlier class helping words. Don't you remember that? Yes. These are the helping words. Am, is, are. These helping words are used in present continuous tense. And we have already learned, I mean, present tense of am is are, do, does, have, has. A player region asile, a region helping words asile. গটিকে ইহা প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্সত হয় এতিয়া আমি লাহে লাহে ক্ৰমশ এটা কথা শিকিছো যে ডু ডাজ প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সত ব্যৱহাৰ হয় এম ইজ আৰ প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সত ব্যৱহাৰ হয় আৰু যি হ্যাভ হেজ আছে এই যেটা প্ৰেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সত ব্যৱহাৰ হ'ব গটিকে আমি প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্সটো আমি হেল্পিং ওয়ার্ডস কিটা দেখিলে চিনি পাম যে these are the helping words belonging to present tense and these three are belonging to present continuous tense. Okay friends, now we have seen that these are the examples of action that is going on at present time. Okay, right, okay, no problem. Then কোনো এটা কাম বৰ্তমান কৰি থকা বা চলি থকা মই এটা কি কৰি আছো বোৰ্ডখন মহাৰি আছো this is present continuous tense something the action is going on in that sense present continuous is used present means বৰ্তমান continuous মানে চলি থকা অৰ্থাৎ বৰ্তমান চলি থকা হলে present continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ হয় এটো আমি এক নম্বৰ পাই গলো এতিয়া দুই নম্বৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো আহো দুই নম্বৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি কি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম যে ফিউচাৰ অ্যাকশন সাধাৰণতে আমাৰ ষ্টুডেন্টস সকলে কেতিয়াবা এটা কথা সুধে যে প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স টু ফিউচাৰ টেন্সত অৰ্থাৎ ভৱিষ্যৎ কালৰ অৰ্থত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব পাৰি নেকি yes friends you can use present continuous tense in the sense of future tense okay আমি এটো লিখি লোৱা যে a future action a future action আমনে ভবিষ্যৎ কালৰ এটা কাম ব্র্যাকেটত লিখি থোৱা fixed or planned সাধাৰণতে অ্যাকশনটো যদি ফিক্সড হয় বা প্ল্যান্ড হয় অলরেডি প্ল্যান করা আছে যে ফিক্স means what that something that is fixed it will happen sure certainly it will be done in that sense it is fixed it is planned already plan কৰি থোৱা আছে প্ল্যান মতে কামটো হ'ব in that sense a future action fixed or planned future action to কেনেকৈ হ'ব পাৰে ধৰি I am going there example to দিব বিচাৰিছো I am going there tomorrow tomorrow মই এটা লিখি দিছো tomorrow tomorrow I am going there tomorrow in the same way he is coming next Sunday he is coming next Sunday in the same way suppose I am meeting the CM tonight TONIGST tonight okay TONIGST okay these sentences you see what we have seen that this sentence I am going there tomorrow moi kailoi taloi jam it is fixed and it is planned that I have made the plan that I am definitely go there tomorrow kailoi moi jam the action is not going on but it will happen tomorrow in future time but the future action is fixed or planned. In that sense, I am going there tomorrow. I can say instead of I shall go there tomorrow. Moi kailoi jam ei bakyotu I shall go there tomorrow. Eneke nokoi I am going there tomorrow. Eneke ami kobo paro. Use koribo paro present continuous tense. He is coming next Sunday. Oha debar he ahibo, but teo ahibo je he will come next Sunday. Oha debar teo ahibo tar poriborte ami likhibo paro he is coming next Sunday. This is present continuous tense. I am meeting the CM tonight. I am meeting the CM tonight. A bakyotu meaning to hoise I shall meet the chief minister tonight. I shall meet the chief minister or CM tonight. Instead of using that future indefinite tense, we can use present continuous tense. Friends, ekhileke kono problem nai. Moi bhabisu tumaloke kothakhini bhaldore buji paisa je future action, any action that is fixed in future, we can use present continuous tense. We can use both future indefinite tense also in present continuous tense also. Both are correct. Okay, sentence ka likhi lo ne. Now these are the examples of future action, but the sentence is written in present continuous tense. In that sense, that is future action fixed. Future action can be written in present continuous tense. Okay. Number 2 we have already done, and I should write নহলে জায়গা নহবগে বৰ্তমান গতিকে মই আৰু 2 নম্বৰ হল 3 নম্বৰটো মই তোমালোকক দিছো তোমালোকে লিখি লবা আৰু এটা নিয়ম এই যে ফিউচাৰ একচনটো আমি এটা কথা এইটো ডাইৰেক্ট অকল এই ওয়ার্ডটো মনত ৰাখিবা going to এই ওয়ার্ডটো মনত ৰাখি লবা going to is used for future future action present indefinite present continuous tense is used ki use karo present continuous tense future action is future again the action is future and we can use this phrase also going to use kori present continuous tense bakyo ami likhibo paro. For example, it is going to rain. It is going to rain. It is going to happen. Simple sentence. It is going to happen very soon. Suppose very soon. Again going to. Okay. Enough. These two examples will be enough. তোমালোকে নিজে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিবা ঘৰত এবিলা এতিয়া কথাটো হৈছে কি যে it is going to rain. It is going to happen very soon. These two sentences belong to future time. Again future time. But eto konobai nije fix kori thwa nai. Suppose it is going to rain. Je ami friends ami অসমীয়াত কি কৰো যেতিয়া এটা উদাহৰণ মই দিছো যে ধৰিলোৱা তোমালোকৰ কাপোৰ কানি ৰ'দত মেলি থোৱা আছে বাহিৰত ৰ'দত মেলি থোৱা আছে হঠাতে দেখিছে আকাশখন উলা ডাৱৰে আবৰি আহিছে বতাহ মাৰিছে লগে লগে ঘৰৰ মানুহে কি কৰিব যোৱা কাপোৰ লৈ না বৰষুণ আহিছে কাপোৰ আনিলে বৰষুণ আহিছে কাপোৰ ভিতৰলৈ আনা ধান বাহিৰত বা চাউল বাহিৰত মেলি থৈছিলে বা কিবা খৰি তোমালোকৰ চোতালত শুকুৱাই থৈছিলে দেখিছে বৰষুণ আহিছে বতাহ বৰষুণ আহিছে দিয়া নাই এতিয়া লাগে কিন্তু বৰষুণ দিয়া নাই ঘৰৰ মানুহে কি কৰিব এই বৰষুণ আহিছে খৰিকিটাল ভিতৰলৈ ভৰাব লাগে ইন দা সেম ওয়ে আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স আমি অসমীয়াটো কৈ আছো কিন্তু বৰষুণ আহিছে কাপোৰ ভৰোৱা বৰষুণ আহিছে কাপোৰ ভৰোৱা বুলি কওঁতে অৰ্থটো এটো হৈছে যে বৰষুণ দি থকা নাই it is not raining but it is sure that raining is going to take place or rain is coming বৰষুণ আহি আছে অৰ্থটো হৈছে কি যে something that is going to happen and it is sure and certain that বৰষুণটো আহি আছে দেখিছে বৰষুণ অলপ পিছতে দিব very soon after a while in that sense we can use present continuous tense instead of future indefinite tense it is going to happen very soon ঘটনাটো ঘটিব এতিয়া কৈছে যে ঘটনাটো খুব সোনকালে ঘটিব it will happen আমি ক'ব পাৰো যে it will happen very soon but instead of saying it will happen very soon we can say that it is going to happen in that sense something that is going to happen and it is sure and it will happen after a few minutes after a few time in that sense we can say future continuous tense okay friends this is another point to be remembered okay with the phrase going to we can say future continuous tense sentence instead of future indefinite tense okay this is number 3 okay another point I want to discuss with you another point point number 4 another point that I want to discuss with you that when we write a future continuous tense for example আমি যেতিয়া দুটা কাম একেলগে কৰি থাকো two actions এটো মনত ৰাখিব লাগে two actions going on together দুটা কাম একেলগে চলি আছে তেতিয়া কি কৰিব পাৰো we can drop one auxiliary verb we can drop one লিখিব নালাগে second auxiliary verb লিখা তেতিয়া বুজিবলৈ আৰু সুবিধা হ'ব second auxiliary verb okay that is enough এইখিনিলৈকে এই কথাটো এনেকৈ মনত ৰাখিলে হ'ল যে দুটা কাম two actions দুটা কাম going on together একেলগে দুটা কাম আমি কেতিয়াবা কৰোঁ মই কি কৰি আছো দুটা কাম একেলগে কি কৰি আছো তোমালোকে দেখিছা মই মুখেৰে কৈ আছো হাতেৰে লিখি আছো তোমালোকে কানে শুনি আছা তোমালোকে লিখি আছা two actions are going on at the